Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. CBS News reports that Bank of America now anticipates the Federal Reserve will not begin cutting interest rates until the second half of 2027. This marks a significant change from their previous forecast, which had penciled in 2 rate cuts for the current year. The primary drivers behind this revised outlook are persistently high inflation, which remains above the Fed's 2% annual target at 3.3%, and stronger than expected job growth, with 115,000 jobs added in April. Several Fed officials have expressed a hawkish stance, pushing back against rate cuts due to concerns that AI-driven productivity gains could overheat the economy. Geopolitical factors, such as the Iran war, also contribute to higher energy prices and inflationary pressures. Deutsche Bank economists share a similar view, expecting consumer prices to stay above 3% for the next year. The last time the central bank lowered rates was in December 2025. According to Yonhap news agency, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un sent a congratulatory message to Russian President Vladimir Putin on Russia's Victory Day, reaffirming Pyongyang's steadfast commitment to prioritizing and deepening its relationship with Moscow. Kim expressed satisfaction with the shared, brilliant history of independence, dignity, peace, and prosperity between the two nations. In his message, Kim explicitly stated the Democratic People's Republic of Korea's DPRK stand to give top priority to and steadily develop the alliance-like comprehensive strategic partnership and affirmed adherence to their interstate treaty. This partnership was formalized with a comprehensive strategic partnership treaty signed by Kim and Putin in June 2024. Effectively reviving their Cold War-era military alliance. Following this, Pyongyang deployed approximately 15,000 combat troops to assist Russia in its conflict with Ukraine and has expanded bilateral cooperation across various sectors. The Philippines Coast Guard, PCG, announced on May 7th that its aircraft had issued warnings regarding illegal Chinese marine scientific research and the gathering of maritime militia in Philippine waters. PCG spokesperson J. Tariella stated on his X platform account that on May 6, a PCG patrol aircraft observed the Chinese research vessel Shangyong-33, a Chinese Coast Guard vessel, and 13 Chinese maritime militia ships near Rosal Reef. The research vessel was seen deploying a workboat, confirming unauthorized scientific activities in a sea area rich in oil and gas resources. Further observations near Peg Asa Island revealed 28 more Chinese maritime militia vessels and another Chinese Coast Guard ship. Tariella highlighted that Shangyong-33 has been conducting systematic survey activities in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone since mid-April without the required explicit consent, which constitutes a clear violation of the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, in clause. PCG Commander Ronnie Gil-Govan reaffirmed the Philippines' commitment to monitor and protect its maritime domain. In response, the China Coast Guard accused the Philippines of distorting facts and engaging in illegal harassment, while the Chinese embassy stated their vessel's activities were legitimate marine ecological surveys within Chinese jurisdiction. This report is from the Epoch Times. NBC News reports that a federal court has ruled against the 10% global tariffs imposed by President Donald Trump. A split 3-judge panel of the Court of International Trade in New York determined that Trump exceeded the tariff authority granted to the president by Congress under the Trade Act of 1974, rendering the tariffs invalid and unauthorized by law. This ruling marks another legal setback for the Trump administration. coming after the Supreme Court in February struck down even broader tariffs enacted last year under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. It's a daplu sorti, that daplu sorti a madi bold. Macing US becaise there is a heinebit game wakum be act be a lara baid. Daplu stat the dog, while the 18 mine has a stairway dot that's such in jest or. It's a chart then. On at the dapli subs, me not, quedsure. Mace, where, Trump, or thrup. Billy is by, talked ups, mate consent. To stand down sco dead dot 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 and dot 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 jo 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 sho. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.